I just wanted to share some interesting news about some vulnerabilities that have come out. So this week, Microsoft released several patches. Well, they addressed 61 vulnerabilities in the latest round of patches. One of those is a very interesting one where remote code can be executed simply by viewing an image. So this is pretty damaging. Now, they say that there's no exploits out there, and Microsoft has said that it's public, but details on it are very slim. So the CVE number for that is 2018 8475. So you definitely want to patch against that now if you haven't done so already. The other one is CVE 2018 0965. This is a Hyper-V bug, so anybody using Microsoft's Hyper-V virtualization, this will allow remote code execution on the host server from the virtual machine. So this is another critical vulnerability that needs to be patched ASAP. And of course, we heard this month about the advanced local procedure call. So this is a privilege escalation vulnerability where you can get from a guest user to system on a Windows machine. So that's obviously out there, and that was also patched. But remember, if you have not patched, and your systems are going to be vulnerable to these three anyway. Obviously, there was 61 vulnerabilities. 11 of those were targeted against Edge browser and Internet Explorer. But definitely you want to have a look at the two I mentioned there, because they are serious bugs. Just by viewing an image, um, you can trigger remote code. And the other one, as I say, the Hyper-V. So if you have a virtual machine, the host system underneath that there essentially can be compromised. Code can run on that from the virtual machine, so that's pretty bad. And I think we're going to see more of these kind of vulnerabilities out there. So the message here is patch your systems, patch them now. Do not leave it, especially if you're in the blockchain business. If you have assets in the cloud, if you have any kind of web servers, anything on premise, patch it now. You should not be leaving the office or leaving your you should not be going to bed this evening until you patch those vulnerabilities. Do not leave it. So have a look at them. Um, Leave your comments and stay safe.